Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both the car and phone. First, park safely and turn the ignition to ACC so the stereo is powered. On your phone, open Bluetooth and make it visible. This makes discovery immediate. Next, at the Alto K10 head unit, press Home, then navigate to Bluetooth settings, select Pair New Device. Once done, make sure both devices are close, within 1-2 feet, and avoid hotspots or other Bluetooth devices that might interfere with discovery. You should now pair. When your phone name appears on the Alto display, tap it to start pairing. You'll see a PIN or passkey. Verify the numbers match on both phone and head unit, then confirm on each device. After pairing, accept prompts to allow phonebook and media access so hands-free calling and audio streaming work seamlessly. If the car asks to set the connection as primary, choose Yes. This ensures automatic reconnect on future trips, so you won't repeat these steps each time. You finish by testing both audio streaming and a quick call to confirm microphone and steering controls function correctly. If connection fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on your phone, forget the Alto entry and retry pairing. This clears transient errors. If problems persist, remove saved devices on the head unit and perform a Bluetooth reset in settings, then repair. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure no other paired device is actively connected to the car, because the Alto often won't.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.